Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. In this video I will tell you guys how should you plan before going to Turkey for the hair transplantation. Anyone who is thinking to go for FUE hair transplantation or who already has plans, he should keep some factors in his mind, and he should be planned before going to hair transplantation. So this video is for the people who are planning to go Turkey for the hair transplantation. On the internet, you will see a lot of clinics who are publicating themselves. It's like a business, and there's a lot of publicity for different clinics. In Turkey, it's more like tourism and this hair transplantation combined, and they are giving a good positive reflection for the people who wants to come as a tourism and for their hair transplantation. But what you should need to know before going, that you have to select which clinic and which doctor really do you need for your hair transplantation. So I will suggest anyone who is planning to go, he should contact as many clinics as he can, and he has to do a homework, like he has to make a list of different clinics and the doctors what they have. And then there are on the websites you will also find the photos of pre and post hair transplantation. You can see, and one of the very most recommendation from my side is you should contact to the patient and talk to them. Talk to the patient about their results and what they were expecting and what they found after the hair transplantation. Did they achieve their goals? Did they achieve their targets? Because the clinics, of course, they will say that the result is very good, but for the personal experience, only the person who has done the hair transplantation, he can only guide you what was his aim and what he achieved. So the first thing is contact as many clinics as you can, make a list and contact to the patients who did the hair transplantation from those different clinics what you are recommending yourself to go. And also I will suggest when you are contacting the patients, there will be two kind of patients. One maybe who did hair transplantation 1 year before, and the second one maybe who recently did the hair transplantation. When I went for hair transplantation in Turkey, what I observed, I was in contact with the patients who did before 1.5 years, before 1 year, and I was also in contact with the patient who did recently, like 1 month before. According to my experience, when I went for the hair transplantation, I did not get much time from the doctor because he was very busy. He had so many patients with him. He was giving little time to all patients because he had many patients. What I observed from the internet, from the publicity, the patient who did 1.5 years before, he was telling me his own experience. He told me when he went to the doctor, he had a brief chat with the doctor, what he needs, what he wants, and the doctor convinced him, we will do you as it is what you are thinking for yourself. And then he went for the hair transplantation. But when I went, unfortunately, they have so many patients, so I did not get much time to talk to the doctor. So my recommendation is you should go for at least 2 patients to get the recommendation. One should be who did a long back and the one who recently did. The benefit of these 2 recommendations, one more benefit is the patient who did a long back, you will see his hair, how much the hair has grown after 1 year or after 8 months or 10 months. So you can see the real result from him when you will talk to him. Of course, he will show his photos. And the patient who recently did, you can come to know what is the current situation of that clinic. How is the doctor performing now at the moment? If he has more patients, how he is going to tackle with you. So these 2 factors are very important. And the rest is what I will suggest, that you are taking the recommendation from different patients. You are noting down the clinics on one paper. So you should write good and the bad reviews in front of all clinics what you are recommending yourself. And one more thing I will say, in Turkey, there, if you go to the Google and type Ministry of Health Turkey, you will find the website. I will also post the website on my description in that video. On that website, it will be in Turkish language, but you can find different private and government clinics or hospital which are accredited by Ministry of Health in Turkey. So it is very important that wherever you are going to go for your hair transplantation, don't put yourself in a black box. You should explore everything before going for hair transplantation. So only go to the clinics which are accredited and certified by the Ministry of Health. And next thing, you can even plan to go to Turkey like 3 days before your hair transplantation. There is also one option that you can visit 3 or 4 clinics and you can see the patients there during the operation if they can allow you. And then also you can decide on the spot that okay, you are more satisfied with this clinic and you are planning to go for your hair transplantation with them. This is up to you, up to your choice, and how do you feel more comfortable is totally depending on that factor. When I went for hair transplantation, and in Turkey, in all Turkey it's the same criteria that they will ask you for your hair photos from the front, from the side and from the back side. They will see how much hair grafts you need and how much is the donor area, and then they will decide, they will tell you that you need 1 hair surgery or 2. But believe me, in reality the things are different, because in the photo they cannot judge 100% your situation. Even they will tell you that that much amount of hair grafts you need on your front area or on your transplanted area, but when you will go there, they will judge you accordingly to your current scenario, and then the real results or recommendation will be only when you will go to the clinic yourself in real. So don't hope too much after sending the photos. Don't hope that with those photos what they are telling you the exactly same will happen. The things really change in reality, because in the real they see the real results on your head, what's going on. And one more thing, a lot of people think that the doctor is very famous, and when they will go, the doctor will give him the full time, he will do the operation, he will remain in the room, the doctor is only for him during the time of operation. But that's not the case. You should be very clear that doctor will only come to draw your front hairline. He will discuss with you, he should discuss with you, are you happy with that hairline? If you are agreeing that okay, then that's fine. If you want, then he will start doing the drilling on your front transplanted area. After drilling, he will go, and there are and the doctor team, which are nurses, they will perform their job. They will take your donor hair they will take your donor hair and they will put on your transplanted area those hair. The only work of doctor is to come, draw the hairline and drill on the transplanted area. So take your time, think before you are going for transplantation, check for different websites, make a list. And before going to the clinic on the day of your transplantation, you have to take care for few things, like the shirt what you are wearing, it should not be a t-shirt, it should be a casual dress shirt. Because if you are wearing a t-shirt in the clinic, you will have to remove the shirt and wear their clothes. So when you will be removing your transplanted area after transplantation, when you will be wearing your shirt back, so it will damage your transplanted area. So be careful when you are going on the day of your operation. You should wear you should not wear a t-shirt. And the hair cutting is better if you already have a small hair. It's up to you, because when I went for the clinic for hair transplantation, I already had my hair cutting. I already had haircut because it was better, so that doctor can see more better before judging or making a line on the hairline. Obviously the doctor will only make a hairline when you will be shaved, but when I went, he saw my hairline and he said, okay, it could be possibility of this much. And then I went back for shaving my head, and then again I came and he changed the hairline little bit. So these are the things you should take care before going for the hair transplantation. In the next video I will tell the experience and the things what you should discuss with the doctor before transplantation. What should be the communication, what question should you ask. And in my channel, please subscribe my channel. There are also a lot of different videos which will be informative for you. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.